For each Learn the Step lesson, I'll be breaking down the steps for you. As you master each part of the step, we'll spice up the moves a bit while the music gets faster and more dynamic. The first salsa step we're going to learn is the Salsa Travel. Let's break it down. We'll do the basic step really slow first. Looking good! Excellent arm work. All right. Good. Keep going. Good. Good. Now let's do the same step, but a little faster. Looking good. Your legs are looking fantastic. Keep it up. Speed it up to tempo. You got it. Okay, now we're going to add our arms. You got it! Shake those hips! That's good! Now we're going to move to tempo, adding your hips. Keep going. You've got it. Now add your legs. Good job. Keep it up.
Aquí llegamos nosotros, los reyes del son. Cómo no, sí, señor.
Just have fun. And that is the salsa.